When your supplier partnership application is approved with LinqPal, you will have access to your console. Here's a quick tutorial on how to navigate through your console. You can add your customer accounts from here, or simply go to your Accounts tab, where you can also view and manage all of your customer accounts. When you're ready to send out invoices, you can simply create invoices here, or go into your Invoices tab, where you will also see all the invoices that are pending to be paid with specific statuses. Once your invoices have been paid, they will show up under your Transaction tab. You'll also be able to issue out refunds. Finally, your Home tab is your landing page after logging in. Here you'll get a quick snapshot of how your business is performing with LinqPal. You can also add additional users under Settings and refer your pals to us. And that's it.